Hello, this is Zach Perkins with TCEC. Happy to be with you today, and it's great to have some good news to start off the beginning of the year. TCEC at the very end of 2018 finally received permission to start our FEMA project. What's that mean for you, the member? It means that about 1,900 miles of our distribution network is going to be replaced and upgraded over the next 4 years. This is a significant project. We're going to have about 30 contractors or about 150 more linemen in here for the next 4 years working on this. We're also going to do this really smart and cost conscious, because the areas where we've got lines that don't serve any load anymore, we're not going to rebuild those lines. So those conversations, the landowners will be contacting those landowners and making sure that they have no plans for those lines before we take those out. So those of you that see that you have land on the map that will be accompanied, we'll be reaching out to you if there's some lines there that no longer serve load to remove those and get them out of the way. Reach out to us here at the office, 652-2418, info@tcec.coop, C-O-O-P. I'd be happy to answer any questions you guys may have. Happy New Year, and we wish everybody the best of luck in 2019.